Hi everyone, welcome to Jaron's Kitchen.
Hi guys, I'm John.
And I'm Ron, and
This is Jaron TV.
Hi everyone, welcome to Jaron's Kitchen. For today, I will show you how to make a homemade bread roll, or what we call in the Philippines, pandesal. What is pandesal? Pandesal is a Spanish word for soft bread. But in the Philippines, it is a common bread roll which is sweet rather than salty. You'll find pandesal in almost all the local bakeshops in the Philippines. Some folks would actually dunk their pandesal in their hot black coffee just to add flavor on the bread. I love putting peanut butter spreads and or jams in my pandesal, and since I really love adding flavors to my bread, I'll show you how to make pandesal with a twist. Just to remind you, please wash your hands first before doing any stuff. So let's start baking. So these are the ingredients for our homemade pandesal. So our first and most important ingredient is flour. We will also need granulated sugar, purple yam jam or halayang ube, warm milk, instant yeast. We will also use butter. We also need salt, breadcrumbs, fresh mozzarella cheese. So the first thing that we need to do is to combine all wet ingredients in one container. And then we're gonna mix this first before we add our yam jam or the ube halaya. And now we can set this aside for later. So for our next step, we need to combine all our dry ingredients together. Just to tell you a story, guys, so I have a grandmom, her name is Anda, and whenever there's like a wedding, any other celebrations that needs someone to cook, people would actually call my grandmom and ask her to cook for them. She's not a chef, but she's really good at cooking. And then I remember when I was in grade school, she would always ask me to come with her, and I would always watch her while she's cooking. So I think that's how I learned to cook. So for our next step, we're gonna combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. So if it's already on this consistency, you can actually use your hands to mix this and then form a dough. Form the dough into a ball-like shape and place it in an oil-greased bowl. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and set aside. Wait for about an hour or until it doubles in size. While waiting, you can start cleaning the kitchen and washing all utensils that you use during the preparation process. After an hour, start kneading the dough for about 3 to 5 minutes. After kneading, divide the dough into 12 parts. Roll one piece into a ball. After that, flatten the piece and place a sliced cheese at the center. Fold the sides of the dough to enclose the cheese cube. Finally, form it again into a ball. Do the same process to all the remaining pieces. Apply an egg wash solution to all pieces, which will serve as a glue for breadcrumbs and to achieve a crunchy outer layer of the bread. Roll each piece to a pan with breadcrumbs. Make sure to cover all sides of the ball. Arrange the pieces on the baking sheet with about an inch gap in between. Set aside and let them rise for another 30 minutes. While waiting, preheat the oven to 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the ube pandesal for about 25 minutes or until it turned light brown. After 25 minutes, remove from the oven and serve while hot.
Hey John, do you want to try the pandesal?
Sure.
How was it?
Good.
Amazing, right?
Nice. I like it. Good. Good. Good.
Hi guys, if you love this video,
Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye!